Amazing auctions continue to produce returns. Mason's Rural and all at Louth's Livestock Market expressed. Thank you to our amazing market community for making yesterday's 6th October 2023 first autumn show and sale such a success. With 420 plus cattle entries, vendors spent much time preparing their prize winners and store cattle for the sale. It turned out to be a show of Lincolnshire's finest suckled calves and store cattle to begin the autumn sales. The great and the good of Lincolnshire's agricultural world were all present. Everyone was well fed and looked after on the day. With the auctioneers, judges, buyers, and sellers all having the opportunity to meet up at Louth Livestock Market. Special thanks to the cattle judge, Louise Todd, auctioneer Ed Middleton, and prize givers Farm Vets, Norfolk Farm Limited, and mostly to our farming community for your support, which continues to ensure we have a vibrant livestock market in Lincolnshire. The sale got underway under the gavel of new auctioneer Mr. Ed Middleton, with 251 steers selling to an average of P9970 and 170 heifers selling to an average of P836, with one store bull at 1,300. Last but not least, congratulations to PK Farms for winning both the championship and reserve champion, then topping day off with the highest price per head at $1,700. Thanks for watching.